Doodle Enterprise App. The pros, the cons. Doodle Enterprise App is a scheduling platform designed to simplify group coordination and meetings. Most people get this wrong if they think it's only for polling dates. Doodle Enterprise offers advanced scheduling, calendar integration, and workflow automation for teams. On the pros side, Doodle allows users to propose multiple meeting times and gather availability from participants quickly. Integrations with Google Calendar, Outlook, and Microsoft Teams ensure seamless syncing. Enterprise users benefit from enhanced security, analytics, and administrative controls. Features like automatic time zone detection and reminders reduce confusion and missed meetings. Many organizations report that Doodle significantly cuts down on email chains and scheduling conflicts. On the con side, some features, such as advanced reporting and integrations, are limited to higher-tier plans. The interface, while simple, may feel too basic for teams needing deep workflow automation. In conclusion, Doodle Enterprise App is perfect for businesses seeking efficient scheduling and improved team coordination. Its polling features, calendar integration, and enterprise-grade security make it a practical tool for modern organizations.